can walk around her without her shooting me.
We never answer. And then we can move into the Miranda thing. Yeah? That was never. And then Mr. Mullins ever asked you, what did you gather? Or how much did you gather before you left Colombia and Mexico?
So you go back assignment, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm going for.
Alright. Before she leave,
Yeah, before she leave Colombia and Mexico. Or she leave
This is weird.
Yeah?
this can be the first place where the flash drive she financed it.
Only terms in Miranda's hands because it was in Savage's.
Exactly. And you get locked up because of
You
it.
get locked with, so it was on him, it was on his person.
You get
It's
what I'm
person,
saying?
yeah.
So that can be piece of the information you share.
Which would then alert her to the fact that Miranda has something to do with Savage's disappearance.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
I think we are reaching too fast.
No, she don't have to come to the conclusion.
Or but you can just.
When she was out.
Hold on. A flash drive was in his possession and somebody collected it.
As part of his personal belongings.
Right. But you don't know it's who get.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So wherever that turns up, we know who is responsible for Savage's disappearance.
And then down the line, we realize.
And what you can also gather, when Mr. Mullins about ask it, is if you have any idea what the flash drive look like. And you all get a description of what the flash drive look like, and you remember say, oh, that's the fucking flash drive, right?
You already have.
You already have. So it can bother you a little bit now, cause
Might be in the wrong
somebody
hands.
will do, somebody will do like a digging.
No,
Wait,
it
this-
goes out to be pay now. That's the flash drive. This is Mullins to quote on the draw.
Yeah.
No, yes.
Yeah. Cause now there has to be something where you know have to start pre-plan. Cause a chess, you have to start pre-plan now. Say if this turn up somewhere, I have some things on like have to shuffle around and because though the money was washed and now it's clean money where you use as start the agency, just the mere fact that yeah. Because you know if you didn't turn that money over into whatever they consider evidence, you have lost it. So you put it to good use, even though you never want to bring it cause away from the contract. You know? Right. And you never want to go through the whole thing of explaining this, but no, you might have to cover yourself because the flash drive is now in somebody's hand. But the good thing about it is we will know who the enemy is. When it surfaces,
the crucial parts of it are encrypted.
yeah. I could talk about that.
Okay.
Really? Action.
Pops, too much information.
I meant my chest of drawers. Where am I going?
Cut. That's the flash drive that got into C.
That's the flash drive that got into Zero's hands and apparently was procured by the dearly departed. Cut.
Shit.
So, you know, so the name no behavior.
Yo.
The name no behavior.
So you know. That's the
Yeah, flash drive that.
flash drive that has the
Offshore records and the encrypted files.
encrypted files. I say. Yes, it is. Rolling. Then you'll come back now and say process. I know say it was drug, but you use it for a good reason. Why you don't just make it known And you want to tell you, then you know, expensive. Said that's not how you do it.
Okay.
It's not what you do with it. They're going to find a reason, especially the fact that this thing, this minister boy.
Never better response.
Okay. So.
Alright, so Bossy reach back on the ground. Now we are roll. So you now say hi?
Hi.
Okay. Director around the wheel of steel, aka no boss. Yeah man. Babe, aka Alfred.
I will give numbers the name there.
Ask him.
And you name yourself? Almighty God. Alfred, what your name? Alfred Lindo. Name yourself two first name. Yes.
Lindo is I know it as a last name.
Lindo is a first name too.
A last name I don't hear. Lindo Williams.
Dear McFarlane, yeah. No, yeah, the chop.
Jaja. So hold on. So how your brother name? Freddy? Alright, we don't know. Yo, big up Desmond, you know.